better.
Smooth Gefixt houden.
Take care about nature.
After the last project, forging a primitive knife with stone tools in the bush, check it out at the end. Today we're making a custom bushcraft knife the modern way.
What's up folks, I'm here with Pierre from Morier Knives and today we'll make a Swiss bushcraft custom knife. Yeah, feels good man, feels good. And looks good too. Even without the handle. Oh. Okay, what's up next man?
Yeah, so for the next step, we're gonna take it to the belt grinder for a surface grind, so we have some nice flat stock to work on.
Like this, flatten this out.
Yes, correctly.
Okay, it looks already quite flat.
Yeah, it may look flat, but it isn't, I can tell you.
Okay, let's go!
Alright. Alright. As you see, we got all the holes drilled, and now we go over to a really important part of knife making, which is also critical for the performance of the knife, and this is the grinding in the bevels on the belt grinder. That should be enough for the moment. Okay, at this point we have ground in the bevels and it's ready for heat treatment. In the heat treatment we make the soft steel hard. For that we're gonna light up the forge and we take it over 800 degrees Celsius, put the knife in, let it soak for some time, and then take the knife, quench it in oil, and it's gonna harden the steel. So this is going to take some time to heat up now.
So normally Pierre uses a French oven, which is more sophisticated and has better temperature control to harden his knives. However, this oven wasn't available in a short time span, so here we're using a more basic method, which nonetheless shows the raw process of knife hardening very well.
Okay, it's close to non-magnetic. So if it's non-magnetic, it means it's over 720 degrees Celsius. So we have to wait a bit to even heat it a bit up more. Alright, ready for the quench. So I'm moving the blade so the air bubbles doesn't get on the surface of the knife.
It doesn't look as shiny anymore.
No, it doesn't indeed.
That's a bummer.
But we'll make it shiny again, I promise. Okay, nice. So we have no warp in the blade, which is really good. You can hear the sound. It skates over it. The only thing that comes off is the scale, and that's quite good. That's totally fine. And if you go back here, where it's not that hard, you hear the difference in the noise.
Wow.
And over here it's just like my.
Yeah, wow.
So I want to say we had success, and now we take it to the kitchen oven.
Cool, man.
All right. So, guten Morgen miteinander. Hello everybody. We're back in the knife shop. What did we do yesterday? We took the knife back to my place, put it into the kitchen oven to temper the steel. What that does, it releases the stress which built up during the quench. Now it's gonna be flexible again. Like, so you can properly work on it, so it's gonna be hard, but still flexible.
Oh man, you're destroying the knife!
Yeah, we're gonna take it apart, man.
So yeah, yesterday we talked about will we do the coil or not? I don't know. And then I sent the picture to Dylan and he said, no, put a coil in, man, it's way better for sharpening. Way better. So after all, we decided now to put the coil in after all. I don't know. Yeah, I'm not the knife guy.
Yeah.
I trust these folks.
Yeah,
and Dylan.
So what we do? So Dylan, this is your fault or your good input. But the thing is, we should have done this when it was still a little bit softer, because now we're gonna have some more difficulties. But that at least we see it's hardened that steel, man. Gonna take about 20 minutes, maybe a little bit longer.
20 minutes, man.
Yeah, that's
some expensive coil.
yeah, it will. Yeah, that already looks like a proper choil, man. Alright, now you can decide on handle materials. So I got some stabilized wood, micarta, some other plastic stuff.
No plastics for me, man.
Alright, so I guess you go for the wood, right?
Something natural.
Alright,
right.
Let's go for the natural wood then. I have some different scales here. Alright, we got some leopard wood, bocotti, some other stuff like oak and serpent wood. So what do you think will fit your knife the most?
This looks funny. I like the darker stuff here.
The bocotti?
The bocotti is right.
Alright.
It better be some certified non-illegal wood.
No, it's from a German supplier.
I will look it up. What kind of?
Alright, and then you're gonna know if it's illegal or not.
Bocotti turns out to be a hardwood from Mexico that seems to be sustainably locked by a selective cutting method. Especially with tropical woods, better go for certified sustainable wood source to not enhance deforestation.
I should have brought my own material, huh?
Yes, that's it. But the thing is, you have to store it for about 1 to 2 years to get all the moisture out, because else it would move on the handle and then maybe crack already.
I see.
All right, so let's go on with the bocotti.
With the bocotti is right. With the bocotti.
All right. the hammer comes to play. Smooth Gefixt. Hour.
Time to work. My own knife. We're finishing up the handle. Looking smooth, man.
So what we're actually doing, we're finishing up the top, because afterwards, if everything is glued up, we can't reach it anymore without scratching the finish of the knife.
Starting to look like something. Okay, let's go, man.
Alright, alright. Look at that, man.
Wow.
So, what I'm looking for when sharpening a knife, you really want to get this fine burr in front of it, and with each grit you grind it down from the other side again and again until it's really refined, and then you have just a little tiny burr left, and then you polish this off and it's gonna be really sharp then. That's what we're looking for, man.
That is.
We can make a proper circle, man.
Wow.
And some other test is always shaving. Look at this, man.
No, man, the girlfriend doesn't like that, man.
No, she doesn't, but this knife is crazy, man. Right.
What steel are we using?
The steel we're using is high carbon steel. It's ATCRV2.
It rusts, doesn't it?
Yes, it does. But for a bushcraft knife of this size, it's good for like doing some hard work, and it keeps an edge better than other steels with the same price. So it's quite a good in-between stuff. And if you take a bit care of it, it won't rust that fast. So
Take good care of your equipment, guys. I'm wondering if this will perform better than my SC.
yes, we're gonna see about that, man.
Yeah, we're gonna do some real-life testing together on a little bushcraft overnighter, don't we? Shaving time.
Yes,
And I'm too tall. Man, I'm almost in a split. Can we see that? No, we can't. Oh, look at that.
So what I do, I rough up the handle so the epoxy has something to grip on and to actually hold the blade and the handles together. So now I'm going to mix up the epoxy. 5 minutes of working time with it, and all the surfaces have been cleaned with acetone. So 2 minutes are gone, we have 3 minutes left. We're good on schedule, man. Here we go. Make sure you don't squeeze it too hard, because if you squeeze it too hard, all the epoxy goes out. I like firmly, but not too much. With a lot of love. And then alright, maybe we thin it down a bit more back here, but not.
Yeah, this is good.
And then maybe we thin it down on the end of it. Feels like it's ready for hand sanding, man.
Wow, that feels good, man. That feels good. What do you guys think? let's finish it up.
Alright, man, I'm excited.
Almost done. Oh yeah. Safety first. Okay guys, we're almost there. Here we're going to the oil part.
Are you ready? I'm gonna oil that thing up, man. Oh yeah, look at the grain structure coming out, man. That looks beautiful, man.
I think it does indeed.
Wow! Look at the grain. I love this wood, man.
I love it too, man. But when you sent the picture, I already knew that I would choose this wood, huh?
Really?
Yeah.
Nice.
Bugatti batches. Some foreign tropical tree cut down off of me.
All for you, all
For
for
my
the...
fancy, gorgeous ass looking badass knife beast.
Smooth Gefixt, ouwe. Smooth Gefixt, man.
Yes, I think the knife is finished, isn't it?
It is indeed. So after about 10 to 14 hours working on a knife, including filming, and I'm pretty much content with it, happy with it, and I hope
Pretty much.
Pretty much, man.
What are you not happy with?
I only need your smile over the knife, and then I'm happy, man.
Look at that! Wow! Smooth Gefixt, ouwe.
man.
I love it, man. Let's feel. Oh man, it feels good in the hand. Look at the nice wood. I love the wood. Some tropical species nobody knows.
Check out Morier Knives website and Instagram.
So tomorrow we're gonna test it, huh? On a trip in the mountains here in Switzerland.
So that's how we start. Does it slice and dice?
One go.
Oh shit!
So that's coming up next week.
Subscribe to the Smooth Gefixt and also check out the primitive forging video.
So thank you, my friend.
You're
I
welcome.
love to see your knife process. It was very interesting.
You're welcome, man.
Well, thanks for watching, guys. See you next video. Bye.